Hey everyone, this is Erik Burton with ericburton.com. How to make money on crypto. Okay, I know cryptocurrency is a big word for a lot of people, but it's a popular avenue in making money. Yes, there are swings up and down consistently, kind of like the Forex market, but thanks to a rapidly growing market and diverse opportunities like staking, DeFi staking, trading cryptocurrency, lending cryptocurrency, especially when you have, say for instance, a stake of Bitcoin, you can lend it out to someone else for a certain percentage of return. And these are some of the things that people are doing to earn from crypto. And each method has unique benefits, yes, and risks, making it crucial for you to choose what suits your needs specifically. Staking involves holding funds in crypto in a wallet to support the security and operations of a blockchain network. We'll get into that here in a moment. I have a platform that I use that's a digital asset for me, kind of like an oil well asset online, and it helps me to create digital income every day from that very thing of support and security for the operations of a blockchain network. Kind of like a credit card charging a merchant fee. Okay, you're charged fees for whenever you're sending, say for instance, Bitcoin on the blockchain to another wallet. Okay, we actually will be able to harness some of those percentages of fees to earn profits and or Bitcoin rewards. Okay, another option is lending crypto assets. Understanding crypto basics. Okay, the basic is blockchain and how it powers the crypto. Blockchain is the technology that powers cryptocurrencies. It is a decentralized ledger. Now, I'm not an accountant and I don't want to get too specific, but it's like an accountant keeping records. And what the blockchain does is it keeps records and establishes everything that's done, sending, receiving, how much was paid for that reception, how much was paid for sending it to another specific wallet, so forth and so on, depending on the cryptocurrency, the type, and how much, okay? Bitcoin and Ethereum are prime examples of blockchain-driven cryptocurrencies. Different types of cryptocurrencies, we won't get into the specifics, but Ethereum, Litecoin, Bitcoin, Solana, I own all of these. Dogecoin, I don't own Dogecoin. VeChain also focuses on improving supply chain efficiency. So a lot of times you're going to get a cryptocurrency that's either useful in some way or useless in most other ways, okay? So let me show you a specific cryptocurrency asset that you can use to earn income and how to make money on crypto. Okay, as you can see, we're in my back office of what we call a Cryptex Wallet. This is a DeFi staking platform. It's kind of like an internal Bitcoin mining platform that I said earlier is going to help you to earn Bitcoin reward percentages for all of those transactions made on the blockchain. And they do them in a concept of contracts, okay? I'm not going to go into too much detail, but as you can see, in about 8 months, I have earned over $300,000 in current earnings, including contract earnings of about $136,000 and actual affiliate earnings of about $170,000. People that have signed up under me and that are doing the same thing with purchasing contracts and earning a residual income. Now, those contracts are 3-year, 5-year, and 7-year. They're kind of like a certificate of deposit. So basically what this company has done is it's brought the cryptocurrency space of DeFi staking to a more of a centralized bank type certificate of deposit. It's not an investment. It's more of a outlook on the BTC rewards that you're going to earn, okay? Click in the link in the description below if you're interested in learning more about the Cryptex platform. The last one that I want to give you an example of is a Bitcoin or BTC reward mining platform. It's called BitHarvest. And here you can join by clicking on the link in the description below, bitharvest.info. You can click to join here for free. It will bring you to an account where you can sign up 100% free. And I'm going to show you that back office here in a moment. You've got the white papers you can click on, the tokenomics, the BitHarvest PDF, and the marketing plan if you want to become an affiliate in this space as well. You can see there's a webinar, a BitHarvest webinar intro, and you can also see a BitHarvest strategy video that I've made, and so forth and so on. This is going to give you all the information you need to understand how to start harnessing Bitcoin in a unique way, especially when it comes to BTC mining. Okay, let's go to my back office. Okay, you can see this is my BitHarvest back office. This is the BTC Rewards Bitcoin mining platform. This is giving me Bitcoin on a daily basis, non-stop. As I'll give you an example of here, today's earnings was $2.26. Now, I know some of you will say, well, that's not very much. Actually, if you add the 59 cents that I got from my residuals, and I've just started this with people actually signing up under me, but that comes out to about $2.75, around $3. I've been averaging just a little bit over $3 in the first month per day. Well, that's about $100 a month in BTC rewards. And that's significant because over time you can build that platform and build it up to where you're earning $50 to $100 a day, and this is non-stop, ladies and gentlemen. Bitcoin mining is not going to run out until 2140. So if you can harness Bitcoin every day, you don't have to worry about any of this. You set it and forget it, and I guarantee you that you're going to see a lot of profitability in this platform. And this is just another digital asset. This is another oil well in the BTC or Bitcoin mining industry. Okay, and Bitcoin's here to stay. It's 60 plus thousand now. It's fluctuating back and forth, but it's going to continue to go up in the next several years, definitely. And as you can see, I have a wallet here, actually several wallets. I have a USDT wallet, a purchase wallet, a Bitcoin wallet. And this wallet has been gathering BTC for me for about the past 4 to 5 days now. And that includes the residual income. You can see $2.26, and then there's $2.84, $2.25, $1.57, and so forth and so on. And that average has been about $2.40 to $2.50 plus the residual. So it's been about $3 to $3.50 per day. How to make money on crypto. I've shown you a few examples of how you can do that. Click on the links in the description below to get on my email list to actually check out these specific digital assets that are online, just like oil wells, as I've given an example. Once you purchase an oil well, if it's pumping oil out for you, you're going to be making money consistently every day. Well, that's what cryptocurrency can do if you go and do the right things with it. Now, here's a bad example of trying to invest in crypto. Say you have $60,000 and you buy one full Bitcoin for $60,000 and it goes down to $55,000. Well, basically you're called a hodler. And if you want to do that, that's fine. You actually should have done it whenever people were saying that Bitcoin was going to be big when it was $500 a coin. I got in whenever it was $3,000 a coin. So I'm definitely already in the money. But you've got to be careful, because a lot of times people will invest in that and spend 60 grand on one BTC or one Bitcoin, and then it's down to 55,000, and they complain about losing money, or just waiting for another year or so, and all of a sudden it's 120,000 a Bitcoin. So you basically doubled your money from 60,000 there. So there's all kinds of ways on how to make money on crypto. Hopefully I've given you a few things to look into. Click on the links in the description below, and I will see you on the next video.